Hey kids, it's Glenn here. We are about to build another part for the Panda. We can see that the Panda's having a good old time over here, legs in the air. So we've got to go and build something in here. Dr. Barwin said before, if you remember at the end of the last video, I said, I think the Panda's interested, let's build a small patch around the sand area where the Panda can hide out and eat. Okay, let's see what the code is in store. I'd imagine there is another nested loop here, and we may need to go and write some pseudocode for this. Program the agent to plant 3 blocks of bamboo on each side of the sand patch. Is there 3 blocks? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4x4. Okay. 3 blocks on each side of the sand. Add an agent turn command to make sure the agent can complete the activity. The agent's in the air, by the way, so we can just look at this. We've got a light bulb. There should be 2 repeat loops, one nested, there's that language, nested inside each other. 2 repeat loops. Okay. There should be 2 repeat loops on each side. Okay. So for us to really work this one out, let's go and draw it, because it is kind of a practical activity. So I'm going to go over to my whiteboard here, just zoom in a little bit so we can actually see what's going on here. So here is the sandpit itself, and the code was to do this twice. It said you need to get a turn in here. So we can see that this whole group here, if I can put this in green, the whole group, because they said it needs to be twice. So we've got this right turn in here as well. So we've got agent place, move forward, agent place, move forward, agent place, move forward, turn right, agent place, move forward, agent place, move forward, agent place, move forward. Okay, so far so good. Then we need to times that by 2, and that means then that's our nested loop. That's our nested, I'm writing behind myself so you can't see, nested loop. So once we've done it once, it's then going to go into here and repeat that. So agent place forward, agent place forward, agent place forward, obviously agent place down and then move forward. And then that needs to be times 3. Turn right. So place times 3. Move forward. Turn right. And then inside there, we're going to need times 2. I think if we just zoom out of this, you can see that we should have that right here. So there's first lot, turn right, second lot, done, in one giant loop, and we should have a right turn at the end, so they continue to right, and that's times 2. In the nest. I think we should be onto something there. You can draw that on your boards and you can test it out yourselves. Your whiteboard will be in your assignment, so we'll put that in there for you to go and draw. I'm going to go and pause and put my code on the screen and see what happens. Okay, here we are. So I've got some code that kind of matches my pseudocode. I've got a repeat 2 times and then a repeat 3 times in here, but it does say that it needs to have, there should be 2 repeat loops, one nested inside each other. Okay. I'm not sure, and perhaps you can help me by just talking to the people around you, speak to the person next to you, and do a little bit of think, pair, share. Do I need to have that like that so it repeats this? There's a line of 3 and a second line of 3, or does it need to make an L shape, in which case I need to have that in there too? I'm not sure. So I can test either one, and maybe you could try this out yourself as well. So, what do you think we should do? Should we do both of them? Or do we need all of them? Do we need some of them? Or is there an easier way to use a nested loop where we've got 2 repeat loops? Your call. It's entirely up to you. Try it out. See what works. Speak to the people around you. Alright? As always, good luck.